at my channel. There are only a few doors left on the commemorative advent calendar. Today it's going to be door number 20, which is right on top here with the genie. And well, this is one of the last full characters we have on here. So let's open this up. If he wants to. There it is. And let's get that coin out. The coin is of the 101 Dalmatians. It is quite shimmery. I think this is a good angle. we have two lovely dogs giving each other a hug. I think this is one of the, well, both of them are the puppies. I don't think these are Pongo or Perdisha. Yeah, I think it's the puppies. Anyway, the fun fact of today is that in the 101 Dalmatians we have 6,496,952 spots. And there are 72 that belong to Pongo, 68 to Perdita, and the rest of the puppies each have 22 spots. Oh, sorry, 32 spots. So, there you have it. Next time, count them. For now, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you a terrific day. And I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys.